llamo Olivier Longuet, je suis le directeur général de Acción, Hambre.
Bonjour, je suis Eric Faure, le chef de mission d'Action contre la faim aux Philippines.
My name is Suresh Murugesho. I'm working with Acción contra Hambre in the Philippines since 2004.
Hola, me llamo Noemi Corsini, soy responsable regional para Acción contra el Hambre en la región de Bicol.
Hi, I'm Rita Marie Petralba. I'm the head of project of the Disaster Risk Reduction Project here in Bicol
Hola,
region.
soy Dolores Marco, la delegada de la Comunidad Valenciana de Acción contra el Hambre.
Hello, my name is Jérôme Devred. I am the responsible for the Food Security and Livelihoods Department here in the mission in the Philippines for ACH.
Hello, I'm Rico. I work with ACF as Head of Project Deputy for Disaster Risk Reduction Project.
Hola, soy Clarancha y soy la coordinadora de administración.
I'm Pipito Romero. I'm working with ACF as Area Coordinator for Camarines.
Hola, me llamo Mateo y soy coordinador de recursos humanos.
Hi, my name is Modesto Harlinati, the assigned Community-Based Disaster Risk Reduction Officer here in Garchitorena, Camarines.
Hi, I'm Mary Joyce Lanusa, the Base Administrator of Legazpi Base, the Philippine
My name
Mission.
is Rizal Libre. I am the Capital Administrator of ACF Philippine Mission.
I am Mimi Hilario. I am the Archivist of the Manila Base.
Hello, I'm Gay Marie Alinda, the Office Assistant of the ACF Philippine
Hello,
Mission.
my name is Daniel G. Dino. I'm currently assigned as the Area Supervisor in Catanduanes Sub-Office.
I'm Alberto Bailon, ACF Community-Based Disaster Risk Reduction Officer assigned in Catanduanes.
I'm Christian Mallorca, Logistics Assistant for ACF Legazpi Base.
My name is Renato Caño. I am working for ACF here in Catanduanes as Community-Based Disaster Risk Reduction Officer.
Hi, I'm Ferdinand Relato. I'm the ACF Manila Coordination Office Capital.
My name is Sheila Estorninos. I am a Community-Based Disaster Risk Reduction Officer.
My name is Ruben Fribaldo. I am a Community-Based Disaster Risk Reduction Officer of Action Against
I'm Raul
Hunger.
Isuga, Community-Based Disaster Risk Reduction Officer.
Hola, I'm Cheryl Marbella, the Administrative Assistant for Legazpi
I'm
Base.
Wilhelmina Rojas Molina, Capital Admin Assistant. They call me
My
Baby.
name is Juni. I'm the base logistician here in
I'm
Legazpi
Myrna
City.
Apila. I'm an
Hi,
office
I'm Jason
assistant.
Pincheron. I'm security guard this ACF office.
I'm Floyd Villanueva. I am the General Service Staff here in ACF
I'm
Manila.
Arnel Toledo. I'm working in ACF as a driver based in Legazpi.
I'm Ariel Juan Crisostomo, one of the official ACF driver here in Catanduanes.
I'm Fernando Balbarono, driver here in Manila.